Pick a hungry niche and angle. List 10 problems you can solve, skills you already have, questions you're asked. Validate demand free, Amazon search autocomplete, Reddit, Quora questions, TikTok, YouTube comments. Save phrasing your audience uses. Outline fast, turn the top 5 to 7 questions into chapters. Add a simple loop per chapter, problem, quick win, how to, example, checklist. Draft the book with free tools. Write in Google Docs or LibreOffice. Use voice typing in Google Docs to speed up. If you use AI to brainstorm, always rewrite in your tone and add your own examples and screenshots. Upgrade the content, add 1 to 2 case studies, your results or anonymized client stories. Insert checklists, templates, and a 7-day plan to boost perceived value. Self-edit cleanly, run Grammarly, LanguageTool free and Hemingway Editor for readability. Read aloud or use text-to-speech to catch awkward lines. Create a hyper-short summary for the product description. Design a cover that sells. Use Canva free or Photopea. Study top 10 covers in your niche and mimic layout conventions. Stick to big title plus bold subtitle plus one strong visual. Export 300px plus on the long edge. Format once, sell everywhere. In Google Docs, add heading styles and a table of contents. Export EPUB and PDF. Convert with Calibre if you need Mobi, other formats. Add legit images and extras, use CC0 public domain images Unsplash, Pexels and credit when required. Include front-back matter, disclaimer, copyright, about the author, CTA to your newsletter. Publish with zero upfront cost. List on Amazon KDP, eBook plus print on demand, PayHip or Gumroad direct sales, and Draft 2 digital, wide distribution. Use your own domain, Linktree, card-free tier as a central hub. Price and package smartly, start with a launch price, then raise. Offer bundles, ebook plus worksheets plus templates. Add a reader bonus page that collects emails for updates. Write a sales page that converts. Lead with the painful problem, promise a concrete outcome, show what's inside bulleted chapter wins, drop 2 to 3 testimonials, beta quotes, add a guarantee, even a simple 30-day email me for help promise. Launch with momentum, tease 3 to 5 actionable tips on TikTok, YouTube, Shorts and point to the ebook. Post a chapter excerpt on your blog, Medium and link back. Offer 20 early access copies to your audience for honest reviews. Collect emails and build an asset, use MailerLite, ConvertKit free plan, give a companion checklist as a lead magnet. Put a sign-up link inside the first and last pages of the ebook. Get reviews the right way, ask your list and social followers. Include a review this on Amazon, your store, link at the end of the book. Reply to every review and fold objections into an updated edition. Scale to multiple titles, turn each chapter into its own short guide. Create a workbook edition fillable PDF via Canva. Translate with free tools, then have a bilingual friend review. Protect yourself, don't copy gated courses or non-public PDFs. Use only images and quotes you have rights to. Add medical, financial disclaimers if applicable. Weekend sprint plan. Day 1, validate, outline, draft ugly first version, drop in examples. Day 2, edit, design cover, format, publish, post 3 promo clips, email your list, ask for 10 reviews. Simple KPI to track, views, clicks, sales, email signups. Improve the weakest link each week with a small tweak: title, cover, description, first page hook. Rinse and repeat, ship V1, gather feedback, update, raise price, bundle, and move on to the next problem-solving ebook.